may warranty po naman ito. Will you put your money where your mouth is, in other words?
Well, actually, since nung una talaga, I was really skeptical about this, pero nung talagang it-proved na napakaganda sa kaya nga tayo nandito, distributing this product. Talaga pong it works really well with your machine. I've tried it for 2-3 months na ata na sa mga sasakyan ko yan. And talagang, ang sabi nga ng manufacturer, kung talagang may pilosopo na talagang gustong hamunin yung
Di ba sigurista ba? Na,
panigurista? Pwede natin ipaano yung vehicle nyo, yung lawyer kayo, mekaniko nyo, may lawyer kami, mekaniko din namin, testingin natin yung makina mo, no? Testingin natin makina mo, dapat in good condition yung makina dapat, di ba?
Okay.
Tapos silan natin, tapos lagyan natin ng oil, and then kung talagang masira, bayaran nung manufacturer yung aming yung makina. Kung kung hindi masira, syempre kung anong nyo. Siyempre, two-way yung ating usapan.
No, in fact nga, I'd like to say naman, kasi alam mo, this program, we are also very proud of Mission Turismo. And like I said, we try to espouse, of course, the ingenuity of the Filipino. We have always believed in the genius of the Filipino. Sometimes kasi may mga tao dyan na just because Filipino, ay, gawang Pinoy, baka hindi ganito, hindi doesn't meet the standards. I really do believe that talagang world class, ang genius ng Pilipino. And sabi ko nga, nakita ko nga rin ito nung tinesting nila sa mga kotse dyan sa convention center. In fact, some of the pictures even came out sa Midland yata, Talagang very, mausok. Tapos nung ginamit, talagang gumanda na right before our eyes. Talagang nakita naman natin. And hindi naman talaga ako mag-invite ng mga guest dito na para maloko naman kasi I know we have a lot of faithful viewers there. But syempre, this is a democracy. That's why we're telling you, you can text us your questions or call us up. Whatever criticisms or suggestions you have, okay naman kami dito sa Magicanic Oil. It's nice to know na talagang they're very proud of their product and talagang sure na sure nila dito. Sabi nga ni Jerome, kung talagang gusto nyo, you bring your mechanic, I will bring my mechanic and also your lawyer and your lawyer. Talagang tignan natin ito na talagang sabi nga nila, this product really works. And 750 parang mataas count yun, Siyempre 750. Pero sabi nga ni Sir Johnny na in the long run, kung kwentahan mo talagang malaki ang savings mo. So sabi nga, you won't, hindi ka mag-change oil that often. And sabi nga niya, yung talagang experience niya, of course, he's saying na imbis na top overhaul siya, nung ginamit niya ito, hindi na siya nag-top over oil, and that's savings for him, 1,000. Sabi nga, wala naman siguro mawawala sa inyo if you try this. And sabi nga, they're willing to be challenged naman on the efficacy of this Magicanic oil. Once again, this is the most modern breakthrough in engine oil additive technology. Increases engine performance, power, protection, and profitability. The problem now I see, Jerome, is this, sabi nga ni Mang Johnny, matagal-tagal na itong product na ito. And in fact, parang ngayon lang na talagang we know about this Magicanic oil. And being the exclusive distributor for this, you only named one place. In fact, that's the Caltex sa may Ligarda. Saan pa ba pwedeng kumuha nitong Magicanic oil?
Madami na po kaming ibang outlets. It's too many to sa Laperal building.
Yeah. So Laperal.
Pero yun ang main office po natin sa Caltex Ligarda.
Can you parang main lang? Okay, so we have Laperal. Laperal.
Sa second floor po ng Laperal.
Okay.
Yun sa kay Johnny yung.
Kay
Sir Johnny, dyan sa may...
Sir Johnny po, meron na rin po yan.
Oo.
Kay
Laperal building,
sino po ba to? Nasudi Shoes sa may GP building.
GP.
Po, meron din po sila.
How about in Trinidad naman?
In Trinidad, magkakaroon na po tayo. May mga kausap na po tayong interested na magbenta. So,
teka. You mentioned that nga pala. Okay, many maybe will also be interested. They want to go to the business side of it.
Yes.
Of course, syempre, baka, believe na rin ako dyan. Pero, paano rin ako maka-business? Kasi, sabi nga natin, we will also be talking about entrepreneurship.
Yes.
How do they become distributors of Magicanic oil?
Pinakamaganda po dyan, you contact us and we'll discuss about it. Kasi madaming yan, may mga bracketing yan. And,
sa Caltex Ligarda ba?
Contact? Or you can contact us through our cell phone numbers.
You give your cell phone number na lang.
We have landline 074 426 4777, tsaka 0923 623 0111. Yun po.
So those are the numbers. You just contact Mr. Jerome Banda. Palagi po siya rin doon sa Caltex Ligarda. Once again, yung mga contact numbers po is 426-4777. And we have 0923-623-0111. Okay, so those who'd like to be distributors of Magicanic Oil, kasi sabi nga natin, very important rin talaga ang maging entrepreneur, to be boss of yourselves and to hire people. Well, Sir Johnny, you were speaking na may mga mga PUV groups who are endorsing this, sino pa ba ang nag-endorse dito? Do you have naman yung mga ating mga leaders, mga ating officials na who have tried Magicanic Oil and maybe they are endorsing this also?
Actually, yung mga nandito sa atin syudad, mga leaders dito, local governments, halos marami na tayong nabigyan at na-testing po nila. Kaya lang, nasa gobyerno sila, kaya mahirap po silang mag-endorse at magsalita.
Yes, I guess so.
Pero sa totoo lang, halos lahat sila nagulat at humanga sa produkto. Actually, kagagaling lang namin kahapon sa San Carlos City at na-invite din tayo doon through the initiate ni Sheriff Austria. So, kinordinate niya po kay Councilor Season doon at nagpatawag din po sila ng mga grupo ng mga Drivers Association. So, doon po nag-testing ulit tayo ng actual test sa kanila. At nung una, parang siyempre, hindi mo makita sa mga mukha nila na na-impress sila. Pero nung actual demo na, at saka nandun yung mga sasakyan nila na bago natin lagyan, at saka nung nalagyan na, makita nila yung malaking diferensya. So ngayon, antayin lang daw namin para makita nila yung savings nila sa fuel. Pero aside from the fuel, lahat ko nang gusto natin i-claim na sinabi sa kanila, nakita na po nila. Yun naman Victory Liner, yun launching natin, nandun yung branch manager nila dito sa Baguio. Nung nakita po yung mga testing ng emission, free emission testing ng smoke belching, at saka itong pagpapaandar ng fifth gear. Nagulat sila, in-inform kaagad dun sa Manila. Kaya kami pinababa sa Manila, sa main office nila sa May Caloocan. Doon po, nag-testing na rin kami. Naantay lang namin yung feedback para sa fuel. Pero lahat ng mga claim natin na-satisfy yung 6 na engineer nila. So, yun po ang nakita natin dito dahil kapariso kanina lang, tumawag din yung isang tao natin na nagpunta dyan kay Jack, yung dating Dangwa.
Yeah.
Yun sinabi ng pinaka chief mechanic nila ngayon, si Peter Dunwal nata. Sinabi niyang gumanda yung mga linagyan namin noon sang araw.
Okay. Once again, baka meron yung nag-open lang ng TV set niya. We are talking about the Filipino invention, It is a what they call this engine oil additive, invented by a Filipino. Ito po yung Magicanic oil, which purportedly increases engine performance, power, protection, and profitability. Yung guest po natin dito si Mr. Johnny C, co-owner ng Magicanic Oil, ay Baguio ba, Palagi natin si Mr. Johnny C, parang Fidel Castro, yung parang mukha ng Fidel Castro, pero mas gwapo naman. Mas gwapo naman si Mr. Johnny C, and democratic siya. Well, and Mr. Jerome Banda, a fellow Louisian, the exclusive distributor for Baguio and La Trinidad. And those again who'd like to be distributors also of Magicanic Oil, we will be giving once again his numbers. And they are yung vehicles nila, tinesting nila itong Magicanic Oil, and talagang it really works. And they had their launching just recently at the Baguio Convention Center, and my smoke emission testing. And of course, me and my fellow media men, we saw with our own eyes yung talagang tinesting nila sa mga vehicles. And nakita naman talaga natin na mahirap naman, baka sabihin nyo ako yung salesman ng kanila. It's better siguro if you could see it yourselves rin,
Yes.
like I said, you can also go to Caltex Ligarda, you'd go try it out, if this product really works, and they are willing naman to be tested, hindi sila takot na testing to. Sabi nga ni Jerome, you bring your mechanic and lawyer, I will bring my mechanic and lawyer, tignan natin ang makina mo. Let's see if Magicanic Oil will damage or improve yung engine nyo. So pwede rin pala ito sa motorcycle. So